Hello guys, good morning. I am Santosh Singh and today we are going to see create another Sqoop job with incremental append. So let's see this point and welcome to my channel. So first we are going to see double hyphen incremental append check column value sequence for this is the key point. This is the key point in incremental append. For incremental append, check value should be in sequential way. If check value, this is the key point. If this is not follow, then incremental append will not work. It means for incremental append, check hyphen column value should be in sequential way. If check hyphen column value will not in sequential way, then incremental append will not work. It means it will not import the record. Suppose we apply check hyphen column value on id column. So id column should be in sequential way like this way. It is in increasing order 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 11, 15 as we can see here. If the check column value will in increasing order, then it will work, otherwise it will not work. So next thing see, as we are seeing here, so that check column value is not in sequential way. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 11, 9. It is not in increasing order. So if the value of check column is not in increasing order, then it will not work for incremental append. So keep in mind that check column value should be always in incremental way. Then incremental append will work, otherwise it will not work. So always last value should be the max value. It means always last value should be max value. If we create Sqoop incremental job, then Sqoop always remember the last incremental value. Means whenever we execute the Sqoop job, Sqoop always remember the last incremental value. We should not need to pass that incremental value again and again. Sqoop automatically remember that incremental value and it import record onward from that incremental value. So here we are going to see example. In this example, we are going to import RDBMS data to HDFS like this way, as we have seen these things so many times that when we write a statement like this way and when we execute, then Sqoop import the this student's record to this location. So like this way, this import statement stored all those students rows in target directory location. So we have seen these things so many times, but I put here because we can relate the things. So after that we can see that after importing statement, we are going to list the target directory. So when we type hadoop space fs space hyphen ls space the path of target directory, and when we press enter, then we can found these item, as we are getting these two item. And if we want to see output of this mapper file, then we can write like this way: hadoop space fs hyphen cat space the path of this mapper file. If we press enter, then we can see the output of this mapper file. It means this mapper file show the output of this student table, that students table have these record. This 6 row student table have those all record has been imported to this file. Like this way we can import record of a table and we can store on HDFS location. We can list the HDFS and we can list the HDFS locations directory. And if we want to see the output of mapper file, then we can write like this way and we can see the output like this way. So now let's see the next things. Here we are going to create another Sqoop job with incremental. So this is the example second, as we have seen first example. This is the second example. As we have seen in first example, there is a simple import statement, and now we are going to create a new import statement with incremental append. So here is the statement: sqoop space job space double hyphen create space the name of job daily import space double hyphen import space double hyphen connect space jdbc colon mysql colon double forward slash localhost slash college. It is the name of db space double hyphen username space root space double hyphen password space my password space double hyphen tables space table name, and I put here students table space hyphen m space 1. It means we are going to execute only one mapper space double hyphen target hyphen dir space the path of target directory space double hyphen incremental space append space double hyphen check hyphen column hyphen the check column value. It means we are going to put id space double hyphen last hyphen value space the value of check column. So we put here 6. Why we put 6? Because we have already imported these 6 record of student tables. So now we are going to import after this 6 record. So when we execute this statement, then Sqoop automatically create a daily import job. So by this way we can create a new Sqoop job, and it set the job when we hit enter. When we write this statement and hit enter means when we execute this statement, then it will automatically create a Sqoop job with this Sqoop job name. So like this way, suppose that after creating a Sqoop job, we have inserted 3 more rows in student table in MySQL. Now we are going to import 3 more incremental record from MySQL to HDFS with help of incremental job. So we need to write here execute statement sqoop space job space double hyphen exec space the name of job, and when we execute the Sqoop job, then 3 more record has been imported to HDFS with another new file and in same existing target directory. So as we have seen that first time when we run and when we import the, as we have seen first time when we import the statement, then we get this file part hyphen m hyphen 5 times 0, and here when we import second time, then we are going to see this file, and this file will be imported in this existing target directory. That's why it put name part hyphen m hyphen 4 times 0 and 2. It means the first file is already exist. There should be one because we have imported only one time. Then the first mapper file output is part hyphen m hyphen part hyphen m hyphen 5 times 0, and second mapper output file will be part hyphen m hyphen 4 times 0 1. So by this way we can create a new Sqoop job with incremental append, and we can execute that job, and we can import the newly added record from RDBMS table to HDFS. So now let's see. Suppose we again added 2 more new record in students table. If we added 2 more new record, then we need to execute this statement again, this job again, for importing those 2 more file onto the HDFS. So when we execute this job, then this job import newly added data from students table to HDFS. By this way we can import the newly added value from MySQL to HDFS. And we can see this, there are too many scheduling tool available for scheduling the job. We can use Apache Sqoop in Hadoop cluster for scheduling the Sqoop job. There are so many scheduling tools are available, but I also use the Apache UG, and you can also use Apache UG in Hadoop cluster. So by using Apache UG, we can schedule a job. It means that job will execute on daily basis or any scheduling time. You can set that after 2 hours, after 6 hours, or on this time, or on daily basis. It means it will execute once at that time, and whenever any new record added into the RDBMS table, then it will import to the HDFS locations. Next time, when this job execute, then this job check that if there is any new record added, then it again imported to the HDFS locations. So like this way we can add this job in a scheduler. So scheduler automatically run this scoop job, and our importing will be done automatically from RDBMS to HDFS whenever a new record added in that RDBMS table. And we will see that how UG work. We will see in my coming sessions that how UG work, and we will schedule a job by using UG. So now let's see the next things. As we have create a new job and we execute that job, now we are going to delete that created job. So for deleting that created job, we need to write scoop space job space double hyphen delete space job name. This is the example that we have created a new job daily import. Now we are going to delete that job. Now we are going to delete that job. So we need to write scoop space job space double hyphen delete space the daily import. When we hit enter, then this job will be delete. So this job will be deleted. So like this way we can delete a scoop job. So this is all about. So we will see next things in next session. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.